Good job. How many times have you heard that phrase? Probably 1,000 times in your life. Parents say it, teachers say it, even your boss might say it. But have you ever wondered where it came from? Why do we say good job instead of something else? Today I'm going to take you on a little journey into the surprising history of this everyday phrase. And trust me, you'll never hear it the same way again. Last night I was watching an educational YouTube video with my daughter. The instructor kept saying, "Good job," every time the toddlers repeated a word correctly. And I realized something. This wasn't just encouragement, it was conditioning. Think about it. Kids learn early that if they do something right, they'll hear, "Good job." That praise later translates into good grades in school and eventually excelling at what we call a good job in adulthood. That got me thinking, where did this phrase actually come from? So I searched online. To understand good job, we have to go way back to the 17th century. Back then, the word job didn't mean what it does today. It wasn't just about employment. It meant a task, a duty, or even a situation. So if someone said they had a job, it could mean anything from fixing a chair to handling a tricky situation. This is different from the word work, which we usually described the quality or craftsmanship of what was produced. Job focused on the action, getting something done. Fast forward to 1876. The phrase good job makes its first known appearance in Gilbert and Sullivan's comic opera, Trial by Jury. One of the characters sings, "So we finished with the job and a good job too." That line tells us something important. By the late 19th century, people already understood what good job meant. The opera just gave us the first written proof. It was a way to say that the task is done, and it's done well. Now here's where things get really interesting. For a long time, the more common phrase was good work. Teachers, employers, and parents would say it to highlight the quality of what someone produced. If you wrote a neat essay or built a sturdy chair, you might hear, "That's good work." But as the 20th century rolled on, something shifted. Society started to value productivity and results more than craftsmanship. We became more focused on whether things got done rather than how beautiful they were. And so good job slowly overtook good work as the go-to praise. The emphasis wasn't on artistry anymore. It was on effort and completion. So why is good job still everywhere today? It's short. It's universal. It feels good to hear. For children, it reinforces learning behaviors and builds confidence. For adults, it's encouragement that says, "I see you. I notice your effort. Keep going." It's also versatile. Whether you ace the math test, clean the kitchen, or close a business deal, good job works. It praises action, not perfection. And maybe that's why it resonates so deeply with us. Good work praises the outcome. Good job praises the journey. It tells us that effort and progress are valuable, even if the result isn't perfect. And in today's world, where we're all juggling so much, that's the kind of encouragement most people need. So the next time you hear someone say, "Good job," remember, you're hearing a phrase that's been around for centuries, traveled from the 1600s through a Victorian opera, and still shapes how we praise each other today. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What phrase or praise did you hear most growing up? Was it good job, good work, or something completely different? Drop your answer in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, which is a little dive into language history, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. And share this video with someone who deserves to hear good job today. Thank you so much for watching. And hey, good job for making it all the way to the end of this video.